everyone. I'm Nilu. Welcome to my channel where I share tutorials and tips for web developers. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced coder, there is something here for everyone. Let's code, learn, and grow together. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a responsive HTML and CSS, a website. What does a responsive website mean? A responsive website means that according to the device that we are using for seeing the website, we can have different style of the website. Okay, let's add some HTML. Okay, here I want to have my body, my header, and in the header I have an h1 tag, and here it's my website header, for example, and also I have a navbar. In navbar I have an unordered list. For knowing how to make a layout, I have just published some videos in having a layout in Velix and having a layout in Grid, so I'm going to put the links in my videos so you can check them out. The unordered list have some items, so let's just copy and paste the items that I have. Okay, and then I have a main content, and in the main content I have two columns, so just let's add some. There's a main content, and in the main content I have two div, and I have my columns. Why I cannot see it in the browsers? Okay, this is my content. Also I have a footer. Let's add some footer. Okay, now let's add some style, but before that I need to have a link to my, let's change it to website, something like this. And for having a link I need to have a link tag, and I want to rel as a style sheet, and href is styles.css. so let's go to the styles. For the styles I already had some styles, so let's just put the styles in here and go through it. Okay, I have my body, I have my why do we don't have some let's just see the problem. Okay, the problem is that here is a nav class nav, and also I have some class in here which I forgot to add. Class header, something like this. So we have our style in here. For the body part I have some font family, and the margins default to 0 for better style, and also I have a header class. For this part is background color, it is the black one. Color of the text are white, and I have a padding and a text aligned to center. So this part is, let's just change it to see this part is the header part. Also I have a navbar in my header file and header tag, and the unordered list needs to have list style to be 0 because none, because the unordered list tags have some built-in list style, so we just don't need it, so we put it to be none, We have padding, we have flex for having this style, because as I'm going to comment this, you can see that they are right here. I want to have them as a row, so I change it to flex. Also, I have some style for the list item for margin and 10 pixel. For the top and bottom 0, right and left 10 pixel, and these are the margins. And also for the A tag, which are on the list item, I want the color to be white and text decoration none. So if I comment this part, you can see that there is a default color of blue and text decoration of underline for the text that we don't need it. Okay. For the main context, I have display flex and justify content space between, and I have some padding for them, and I have a column. The class of these columns are column, and I put flex 1 to just have the equally give them the space for each of them. If I just comment it, you can see that there is some changes in here. If you can see this, there's a huge space in here, but I don't want this space, so I put 1 to just take as many as space that they can take, but equally. Also, I put some margin here, background color for them, padding, and box size in border box size. We can just ignore it for this part. Also, I have a footer part, and for the footer I have position fixed, and the width is 100%, bottom is 0, so it is just in the bottom. And I have color, a text align center, and the background color. So up to here I have this style that I just talked about. So this is the part that is important, and we want to talk more about it, is the responsive, how to make it responsive. For making the style responsive, we need the media query. What's the media query? We put a sign and the media, and in here we need to mention the measure of the screen that we want to have. For example, I want to have max width is equal to 480 pixel. It means that if the screen is maximum 480 pixels or less than that, just apply this style instead of the style that we already have. For this, I want to have this part to be in the column format for the small screen devices, like mobile phones, for example. I just need to have all of this, but a small change, which is the flex direction need to be column. And here is the here is the result. If I just have for example, this is the SE iPhone mobile. I have this as a column right here, but if I change it to more than 400, and you can see the width in here, it is 380, which is less than 480, and I want to, why it's not okay, I want to have it greater than 480, so I have it right like row shape. But If I change it to less than 480, it's going to be column. Also, I need these two columns to be in the column format, so I need to change the main content. The main content is now in row shape because the default of display is row, but I want it to be in the flex direction column. Okay, now we have this. As you see that when it is less than 480, I have this as a column. So in this way you can change the styles, and it is good to have the designer says that it is better to just start to design the mobile format first and then go to the website format, the opposite of what I did already. Okay, thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. I need your help and support, and if you have any question, please comment them down below. Thank you so much. Bye.